What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about investing into high risk plays because there aren't many platforms that can give you that ability to not only just invest in the high risk plays, but find those that are launched a day ago or a couple of hours ago or anything like that. Um, and I think that's what some people want. Now, I don't recommend having a gambling mindset and just going, oh, I'm going to invest into this just because it's brand new. I want you guys to, maybe see what it is. Sometimes those things that are brand new offer a little bit more and you can do a little bit more research outside of it. So you can combine finding something that's new with doing your research on that thing that is new. Now, if you have no information and it was just launched without a website, without anything, then obviously it's going to be very difficult on whether you want to fully make that move or not, depending on your strategy. But there is a platform here, DFlow. They are a partner with the channel, and they offer you the ability to look at some of these high risk plays, invest into some of these high risk plays, as well as invest into, futures up to a 40x leverage, and you can trade outright if you wanted to, just to own the position. They make it very, very easy to buy and trade cryptocurrency, and honestly, that's what we all want. So anyways, if you guys could hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, I will provide a link down below for DFlow if you guys want to get started using this platform or just checking it out. Feel free to click the link and give it a look. It does help out the channel tremendously. But I'm deciding in this video to make maybe some high risk moves as well as some future moves on this platform. So if you guys want to follow along, again, click the link. You can follow along with whatever you want to do. Now, I don't recommend that you copy me. You should make your own moves and invest your own money based on what you see there because, again, these are high risk. By no means am I saying I'm going to make millions or billions of dollars from it. If I do, then fantastic. But I'm not saying that I'm going to 100% make millions or thousands or even hundreds of dollars from this. Just to kind of preface this video, I don't want you guys copying me. I want you getting some education from this video. So the app that we're talking about again is DFlow. Right, you can click the link and you'll see exactly what I'm seeing. You have to sign up, and I believe you'll enter your email and all that stuff. But I currently have $100 in my invest account. I also have over $100, I believe, in my futures, and I have $100 in high risk. Now, they offer these different areas where you can invest and you could just trade Bitcoin outright and just own it. If you wanted to, you can buy Solana, you can buy BNB, you can buy those positions just like you would on a Coinbase or something. But they also offer futures where you can trade up to a 40x leverage on BTC. You can trade up to a 40x leverage on other things you may not be able to trade as much, like maybe AVAX. You can only trade up to a 10x leverage. But the good thing that they do offer is cross leverage and isolated leverage so that you can just select isolated and you don't have to worry about them, digging into your account if you go overboard on your leverage trade. Like say you do a 40x leverage on $1 for AVAX. It'll give you 40x, but if you did a cross leverage, it will dig into your account. Like say if it does drop, by 10% or something, and you lose everything that you invested, which was $1. Now, if you have a cross leverage, they will decide to dig into there. If you have an isolated leverage, they will only take the dollar and then you're liquidated and then you'll live to fight another day with all the rest of the money in your account. So that's a good thing that they offer isolated leverage because leverage trading is very, very risky. I currently have two leverage trades through right now. One that is currently down by about 2.6%. The other one that's down by about 1.6% as well. One for Doge at a 5x leverage and one for Atom at a 5x leverage. We did see the market come down a little bit recently, so seeing the market react this way is great for buying long, so that's why I decided to make those moves in there. I probably will make another move into maybe like an XRP or something else that I can't buy on other platforms that I have to figure out what I'm going to purchase, but we'll leave it at that. Now, another thing that they do offer that I thought was very interesting was the high risk arena. Explore trending tokens and discover potential moonshot, high risk, high reward. Now, these are things that you could potentially see a large gain from, but it doesn't mean that you will 100% see those large gains from it. Now, it does sort it by the large gains that we do see. I'm not so sure exactly. Actually, I'm not so sure exactly what it sorts it from, because it's not by age, it's not by market cap. Because you see others that are at the same market cap that are not up there, or even higher that are not up there. It's not by percentage change. It may be by percentage as you look into it, but I don't really see anything there when it comes to filtering. But either way, you can see different positions that were launched, like the age of this position, which is Google, Amazon, Ycom, Meta, Apple, Nvidia, or everything basically, is 3 hours ago, right? Market cap of $333,000. This doesn't mean that I'm going to go buy it just because I named it by name, but you have American Party, right? That's 1,500% increase, 360% increase for the coin. I currently have, which is sitting at a $275,000 market cap. So if you wanted to do something easy, you can go in here and it tells you where it's tradable on, and you can go and buy it immediately. So you have, this token appears to have strong security measures in place. However, always do your own research. So they are telling you about that. Security score is 100 out of 100. So it depends, right? You can see that you could still lose a lot of money because of how far this has increased. If you wanted to buy it, you can select buy. You can have a balance. You have to transfer from invest over to the high risk arena. And then you can buy with USDC. So you can say, I want to buy $10, and then it'll calculate it. It'll take its time to go after the fees. And then you'll be able to purchase it. You'll be able to buy the coin. It'll get me 38,000. So the order was successful, or successfully submitted. So if I go into my wallet, I should be able to see it somewhere, somehow, that I do own the coin in high risk. So you're going to see that I have that. But I'm trying to figure out exactly where that coin is. So that's something that I haven't figured out, because that's my first purchase in high risk. So I'll have to get back to you on that just to see where it comes from. Or maybe I could just type it in and I'll be able to see it. So if I go back to high risk and I see the coin, which is I can go back to futures, or I can go back to a wallet, go to high risk, and maybe type in maybe it'll come up, possibly. So the coin, maybe I'll just type in the whole name and see if that'll come up. The coin, which is here, it only shows deposits. So invest, maybe I'll find it here, the coin. Nope, nothing that's there. I guess the transfer is taking its time to go through, and then I'll be able to have it. But I'll have to update you guys on exactly where that is, because or how much I received from that, because it did go through. It's just you have to go through the standard process. It's just like you seeing if you receive something after purchasing something on, let's say, Ethereum network. It may take a few minutes for that to happen. But I know that my futures trades, while we're maybe waiting for that to go through, we'll see how long it does take. I do want to make a trade, um, maybe on the futures, definitely. I currently have trades in for, um, which ones do I have? I have Atom and I have Doge, which are down about 1% respectively. I do want to go in here and look for other plays that are down a decent amount. 24-hour change. That's what I want. I want a large 24-hour change, which Optimism has a large 24-hour change. It's at 53 cents. And if we scroll out, we can see that it is still at a low point. So seeing that high point of 75 cents, or seeing it at 82 cents. So right now at a 5x leverage, I feel like that could be good without doing a crazy amount of research on it, which I would normally do if I was doing a higher X leverage. But this is kind of far away from where the overall price is there, where the overall high price is. So I know that there's a lot of growth potential there. So I'm going to use 100% of what I have there, which is 40 or $24. And that's going to get me about $123 worth of value there. So I'm going to go ahead and buy that. Oh, I did it at a cross. See, that's one thing that you have to do. You have to make sure you do it at isolated leverage. And now that I did it at a cross leverage, I'm going to have to go in here and I'm going to have to add a stop loss, which would be, it's a 5x leverage. So I don't want it to decrease more than, was it 20%? I don't want it to decrease more than 20%, which would be, let's see, I guess they're just going to give me whatever the price is. 50, that would be $8. So I'm going to have to do it that way. 45. That's good. That's good. We'll do that stop loss at about 45 cents. If it goes lower than 45 cents, then that's where the stop loss will be. So it's fairly simple to do that as well. We're all exploring all of these things. And the lowest point here is actually 46 cents. So seeing that, it would potentially do a double bottom and create a W formation, which would be great. So right now we're down on all these plays. We will see how this progresses, how this moves along. But I just wanted to go through and explore this. Let's see if we can find exactly like what we own over here. If we go into the coin, does it give me maybe how much I own over here? Or it does. This is processing. So this is processing 4 minutes ago, which would give me $34,669. And this is, I guess, is buying, processing the transaction. So we'll see how that goes. I will update you guys on where that stands as well as where the futures positions stand. But I think this is a great platform. I've been able to explore a little bit with the futures, especially with the high risk here. Obviously, buying or investing in something just outright is standard. But this is a decent platform. You guys should give it a look. If you guys want to do that, the link will be at the top of the description. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.